Yeah, so we've seen how to create a Wikidata item. So welcome to part 3 for Wikidata. Still, it is more of beyond the Wikidata. Like after creating the Wikidata, what else can you do with Wikidata? Seen that you can create properties. Seen that you can add more parameters. Even you can link Wikipedia, you can link Wikibooks and other projects that are usually there. So if someone translates the article into Luganda, then you'll find that the Luganda article has been added here. So even you can add images and videos. So for example, if you search for image here, then you'll find that if you search, say, for Bushera, so as you're typing, most of the times they keep giving you suggestions, say, Bushera. So you find that one is not, but basically for the images, say, let me search for Uganda. So they usually give you different options for the images that you can select from. So if this is the image, so for example, then you can add the image there. But still, you can maybe, let me search, say, for Matoke. I see a toke. So someone, meaning these images, where are they coming from? They're coming from Wikimedia Commons. They're coming from Wikimedia Commons. So still say if you publish this accidentally, so we're going to, I could not save due to file extension missing. Let me choose the second one. So let me just publish this, but I'm going to edit it out. So this is how the photo of Matoke is going to open. So still you can find that it is coming from Wikimedia Commons here. So then say you can search for Shera, say from here, guess the image is there. So we don't have any image of Bushera. So maybe Matoke. Let me search for Matoke here. Yeah, so you'll find, say, for example, there is either this badge of Matoke, then I click on it. So I can choose to come to Media Commons, I search for the image, then I copy this URL here, then say I come, say, to edit, then paste it here, and it shows me, say, badge of Matoke. Then I paste, so you can add images that way. So this is a wrong entry. This is Bushera, not Matoke. So still you can remove it. So still the same thing for video. Yeah, so relevant video. So still if say there is a video, still you go and get a certain video. Most videos they usually have .webm. So if we can go to commons, so we get like video of the day, which is an animation. Say from, let me first click on it. I see, how can I open it in a new tab? Yeah, this coming from, I'll give the movie. Wait. Let me see previous media of the day. Or you can even search for your own video if you've uploaded it. So I'm just trying to look for just a random video. Choose new file. Let me open this in a new tab. I see commons. Yeah, so this is like a GIF. So still, say you can copy this, then still you come to say for video here, then say you paste where the GIF is. So you get the file there. That's how we add videos, and that's how we add videos. But Wikidata is so much more. It's just beyond only creating the Wikidata item. Then you'll find that also there's the Wikidata Query Service. It's also very helpful. Also, the other creating lexemes. Then you find if you want to create a new lexeme and all that. So the Wikidata Query Service also is very important. So that one can learn more still about it. So say, for example, you want all the poets from Uganda and you want to query it from here, then also there is, say, a query builder that is going to be helping you out. So what property, say, do you want? Say, maybe, so So you want country, the value is Uganda. So that is the one. And so we can add a conditions, maybe you want occupation. Say maybe poets or poet. Then we can run the query. So we can limit and all that. So it is running the Wikidata query here. So basically it picks, it's picking, say it wants maybe all Ugandans who, let me say here, count of citizenship. So basically it picks, say if you want poets from Uganda and all that. So it is picking, say, country of citizenship. So basically what this query is doing, saying that I want Ugandans who are poets. So if we can open one of the pages here, and we see, so we're going to see basically the Ugandan poet and other details. So that means the reason why you're able to get that is because we added country of citizenship for people. So even we can choose to say that maybe we want females or male. So this is the property. So we can say that we can filter this further and we add, say, another condition, which is the property. We want sex or gender. Then here we can choose to enter, say, male. So, or you can choose female and then you run the query again. So that is, it is going to filter out. So that is a hint about, say, basically Wikidata query. So it's something that is really very big and still you can explore it and more benefits. So it can be there. I can edit Sparkle and so the code itself behind. So you don't have to be a programmer to know the query. So this is the query that helped, and we built this query using, can make them more complex and all that. So even I can find that there are other additional tools and gadgets. So for example, here you find there is recoin. So recoin helps you to know, let me refresh this. So recoin helps you to know which properties, say, are missing from this particular, I know it is not activating. This one is active, so recoin. So let me look for front of here, you see, recoin here. So recoin here usually helps you to, when you look at this graph, I mean this box here, let me enable this box here. It shows like the more it goes up, the more green it is, and the more like the more contented or satisfied the article is. So basically, recoin helps you to know which properties are. So now, like drink, which country does it belong to? So you got a subclass of what? Do you have an image? You can add it, or inception, when did they start? Who is the manufacturer? It is part of what? Bitterness, bitterness, and owned by and so parent organization. So something. So recoin always suggests these properties to improve the like showing you which properties can be added there. Yeah, so still a simple way to use recoin. So maybe if I can say country, I'm going to click on plus, then I search for Uganda. Is this? Then I click on it again. Then I click on publish. So it is going to load again and it is going to add that property for me here. So there's country of origin. So even there is country. So that is how recoin does. So still you can choose maybe where there's a plus. You can add who is the manufacturer, part of, located, owned by, and so that is recoin. How do you activate recoin? So you can come to preferences. Then you come to gadgets. Then gadgets, there are many gadgets that are displayed. There is merge here, there is label lister, and also draggable links and duplicate references, drag and drop, easy query. So all this. So you find that recoin, the recoin tool is here. So if you find yours is not enabled, please you can enable recoin here, and so that it helps you to complete some of the Wikidata items. So these are different gadgets that do different things. You can always check them out. Narrow UI, what does it do? And live clock, and so different. Even hotcut is here. Remove categories and say add categories. So all you have to do is click on this box. You see mine is already checked. So if I uncheck, that means I need to set changes. So Even my sandbox, you can put, yeah, my sandbox, you can add it there. And even if you want dark mode, still you can enable dark mode and you get a feature somewhere. So those are some of the arrows and whatever you're saying. So even when these are different tools. So even when you look at this arrow that is here, so instead of me saying that I want to write all these certain gadgets, still you can do even banners and features. You can choose to say I'm setting off these beta features. Also, they're helpful, so can also enable them. So gadgets are many, and they usually give a description of what exactly those gadgets do, and you can enable them, drag and drop on current date and image header and all the sort of. So maybe if I go back to the Tonto article, so if I go back to the Tonto drink, so you're seeing country, Uganda, and all that. So for example, here, when we search the Bushera article, it does not have, say, country, Uganda. So if I want to put, say, country, Uganda here, so I'm going to copy this to ID. Then I come to, there's this arrow here. It is also a gadget. So there is move arrow copy item. So I can just paste here the Wikidata the ID, then I copy claim. So once I copy claim, so if I come, they show you simply a pop-up that it is going to refresh. So I can refresh here. Then you see that country Uganda has come. So meaning, as long as I have this true ID, I can choose to even say alcoholic beverage. I copy, don't move, you copy. Then event is has parts bananas and also even most other things that I can do. So these are some of the gadgets that simplify. So even request for deletion, merge with. So for example, you find some of the articles have say someone has written maybe about Bushera and another has written Bushera. When you read through it is almost the same thing. Or say, for example, you're trying to say now, you want to add, say, this Bushera. You want to add Bushera to, say, a certain article. Say, for example, maybe it is, assume this was the Bushera here. So, oh, sorry, like I wanted to copy the Bushera here. I wanted to write the term Bushera. So try to say publish. So they're going to show you that it already exists on another Wikidata item. So they're telling you it is used by this. So meaning this is where you're going to find that it is going to become very helpful. So meaning you have to improve the quality of Wikidata by merging these two. So when you go to say Bushera here, then you can say merge with. So merge with, then you can find that, say you copy, assume this is the duplicated article, then you put here, then you put the reason why. So then you just click on merge. So simple as that. So on the left and the right, so still even you can choose to say download the SVG QR code, also even get shortened URL for say particular this Wikidata item instead of writing wikidata.org and something. Maybe if you're sending the link or it has a character limit. So that's how you get sound. So page information and other things, what links here, still you can be able to see. So Wikidata, so still even you can dive into conversations from the community portal. Even you can check out the project chat. So still even you can find that if you get challenges and there's also helpful content here, more experience, fast steps. You can check out notability. What do we consider for something to be notable? So how do you navigate Wikidata database download and even the query service? So you can check most of those items, what exactly it means for you to Sparkle editor result, building queries, Pinatric data bot, and all that. So you can read more and you'll find those different topics that even events are usually happening and stuff. Lots of things on Wikidata that you can follow up. So community portal, tutorials, and so discover project music and even so even the other Wikidata tools, tools that can help you to solve most of these. So edit lessons and gadgets. And so lots of things. So there is also a Wikidata mailing list and also say Telegram chat that you can join. Yeah, so with the Wikidata or Wikimedia projects, there are new things, new tools, the interface, maybe by the time you're watching this video, the interface also, you might find it has already changed. So that is literally Wikidata. The, so you can always check it out and see what, even you can choose to set up me, I'm going to improve what is there. Say someone has written about Sequete, then see river and all that. So I find that it is really very helpful to check. So you come and be checking these items and you see the progress on that. So even say if you're writing about photographers, so you can search about Lionel Messi. So when there are many properties, there are images here, point in time, when was this image taken, the video is there, the signature is there, count of sport, count of citizenship, so where has been at count of sport, and lots and lots and lots, and most even the audio is here, like pronunciation, how do you pronounce the name, and spouse, children, relatives, and so still even say you're writing about a musician. So you'll find that there is looking for Madonna. There's Madonna, a musician. Was yeah, this one. It is double N. Yeah, so Madonna is double N here, but it's even me like I'd look as searched for single N. So you find the signature, whatever signature, United States, even now these are qualifiers here. The ones you see, as we mentioned the other time, that also qualifiers on a given name. So those are basically qualifiers. There are also one family name and parameters are really many nicknames and date of birth and all married partner. And so if someone's like occupation, singer, actor, you can explore more about Wikidata for type if you know. So and all that. So it is really a long article. It is going to, if I scroll down, so song ID artists, the way I like the National Movies Database, and you see that it has been translated within the article has been translated within 151 languages. So that's an overview of Wikidata. So still you can learn more on different. So check special pages, what it counts, links and account management, user rights, and all events. So there are many tools. So you're going to be learning different things, so different events that are happening are here on the different dates, other the future, others say past events, and so you can be checking them out. So that's an overview of Wikidata. So have a lovely afternoon, morning, evening, when you watched this video. Thank you.